In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Twitter to Mailchimp. If you're looking to streamline your social media and email marketing efforts, integrating these two platforms can be incredibly beneficial. It allows for better coordination between your Twitter activity and your email campaigns, helping you reach your audience more effectively. Let's get started on setting this up. First, you need to access your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all of your Mailchimp activities. What we want to focus on today is connecting your Twitter account to Mailchimp, and to do that, we're going to navigate to the integration section. This section is dedicated to connecting Mailchimp to various platforms and tools to enhance your marketing capabilities. So, locate the Integrations tab and click on it. Once you've done that, you'll be brought to a page where you can search for the service you want to connect. Here you'll see a wide range of options, but since we want to connect Twitter, go ahead and type Twitter into the search bar. Hit enter, and you should see Twitter pop up as one of the available options. Now click on Twitter. This will bring up a window with detailed information on how this integration works. Take a brief moment to familiarize yourself with what this connection will enable. Essentially, integrating Twitter with Mailchimp allows you to import Twitter followers to Mailchimp lists, and even auto-tweet your email campaigns if you want. This can be a great way to ensure your marketing message reaches across both your email and social platforms. With this understanding, you're ready to connect the two platforms. You'll need to authorize access by clicking the Connect button. When you click this button, you'll be prompted to log into your Twitter account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you have access to your Twitter credentials. Once logged in, you may need to authorize Mailchimp to access your Twitter account. Follow the on-screen instructions to give the necessary permissions. It's important to keep your login details secure and only grant permissions you are comfortable with, ensuring you've reviewed what actions Mailchimp can perform on your behalf. After you've completed the authorization, the integration should be set up and ready to go. To confirm everything is properly linked, you can test the connection by attempting a small action, like importing followers or setting up a test tweet for your next campaign. This will help ensure everything runs smoothly when you decide to do it live. Connecting Twitter to Mailchimp can really amplify your marketing strategy by streamlining multi-channel efforts, engaging with your audience in a cohesive way, and maximizing your reach. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful marketing tips and tricks.